It's Thursday, January 15th. In the headlines, the University Hospital of the West Indies Board reports Auditor General's findings to the Police and Customs after a damning audit. The United States announces suspension of the processing of immigrant visas for citizens of 75 countries, including Jamaica and other Caribbean countries. In business news, NCB Capital Markets to support Jamaica broilers. Regionally, Caribbean nations among 75 countries hit by U.S. visa suspension. And in sports, West Indies dominate Tanzania in the Under-19 World Cup 2026 opener. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.